Hello, my viewers. Welcome to my channel once again. This is Ruth Nyakon. If today is your first time being on this channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. In today's video, I want to share with you what happened on my way coming back to America. It is so surprising that I always knew that cars always have like traffic. We have traffic on the way when driving, but I never experienced seeing a flight like a plane in a traffic before. And this happened on my way coming back to America when I went to Ghana. Please watch this video and I'll be back. Right in traffic. I wait to go one by one. One is behind us. Hello, I'm back again. As I told you guys, I'll be right back. And how do you see the video? How do you like it? I was surprised when I saw that, and I thought it would be nice for me to share it with you guys. So if you love it, please click and subscribe to my channel and click the like button for me. Thank you for watching me, and I hope you love it. And if anybody also experienced such a thing before, you can comment in the comment section and let me know. Let me know how you feel about this video. I thank you for watching me, and please subscribe and like my video and share it so other people can watch it too and learn something from it. Thank you, and I love you.